Happy customer, can I get a live happy customer for T&O Construction? No? Yes?
Money for the happy
T&O Construction?
T&O Construction. Oh, we had one more request too. You guys kind of hit the wood with the
Mortar?
Is there any way you could just put the mortar on there? Because we actually kind of like the way it looked.
Oh, what?
Like, can you mix up some mortar when you come back to finish up, and then just
Put it on top of it?
On top of it, and then wash it off again.
Okay.
We actually kind of like the way that mortar stained it.
Okay.
It was a weird happenstance, but
Yeah, all right.
it would look strange if it was just partially done, you know?
Yeah.
Just finish her off.
Oh, the plumber still need that tool?
Yeah, he still needs that tool.
It's in there with my chop saw.
Wow.
Well, then I'll just do the mortar problems when I get back. Then. So I got a
That's what I'm saying.
boo-boo right there.
A boo-boo?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, with the tile, yeah. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Perfect. And did you find a way to seal this